Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Sniawbhalang dhar ulapan scam ba ketong ban penbet uput usam ba Kejela Assam kanong halor gijing shisha ba gijing tip balayo ni kinong shnong Iohktien Khappud. Chairman jag Regional Committee na kabantang West Janta Hills ulapan syai ba sarkar Meghalaya kan yang bet kanong rem bat menta kadang ab banda iohktien na sarkar Assam syua ban ra kan kam hapadang ki arwat ki Menteri Rangba Jingiakren ka ba kam halor. Habagrani gilat patai kubor ubak Sniawbhalang dhar uang bamenta kidang ap ya kakai pot ubak khatdo nagi bot pendiat distrik kebrang penbit penbiang do deputy commissioner nama kesarkar kan syem kenong rem kebati kena anda lebih syar benia ke jing shisha ki map bat ke jing syem ke jing mon ki patba ulong bag sarkar ke syem ke neglenti namar ke jing e bag jing suthu bakla hapo kitu ki jaka ke bedang sa ke jing penbet hakabede ke history bat ki jing persha. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ulah penkenmau bagan ika kam yakran put ketika kam kabalas ateng lasan posnem bat kumta omla bat penbet hapo katuk kene tayo. Dari ulah kular baga jelakan wat gilat klenti bat penbet serta lengba kajing yes ngutu alang. Kira ki badan kam bagi jing penbet yu put usam ki dai banyak lengba katup sensyar kadar syua ban penpoi jak office Menteri Rangba. Bat ulah keduru halor kathan la pangap da gabaong bamenta kene kesnong gadana pedang gejing syongsuk bagi nong shnong ke leyo ban rap klem dadon keno kajing pentut.
What are issues? A complicated issue you know very well, and it's not the issue which had discussed in the last 2 weeks. This issue has been for the last 50 years plus. So naturally, it'll be tough.
Will it be?
And does not mean tough is tough. You see, difficult does not mean impossible. It just means that we have to work a little bit harder. We have to work hard. Difficult is there, obviously, I accept that. So, difficult does not mean it's impossible. Maybe with the understanding of both the state after consulting the series of stakeholders. So, hopefully, maybe Prosper we will try to solve it. We will try. But that it will take a little bit of time because since both the state are involved. The areas, and that's why we need to submit the report. We need to get the report exactly from the district administration. Only then we'll be able to take a call accordingly. And that is why it called area of difference. So someone claims, someone of the other claims. That's usually that's called the areas of difference. And hopefully let us receive the report first from our own districts. Only then we will place it into the chief minister. So when both the committees discuss, then we will take a call accordingly. Maybe the report is ready with them, but they haven't submitted to the government because we are still waiting for the committee to be formed from that side, from the other counterpart. So as soon as the report is received, so we will place at the level of the chief minister, and the chief minister will call meeting both the regional committee and they will discuss the matter.
So there are around 50 plus villages.
No, villages are, I cannot say 50, 30, 40, because we have to see as per the report submitted. We are yet to submit the report.
So a joint inspection to all these villages under Block 1 will be conducted with Assam?
Let's see whatever whenever we met both the committee, whatever the committee decided, then we'll take a call. Whether joint inspection is needed or not, so let both the chief minister take a call accordingly. Official chief minister only, so I think it's a natural process only. So since the committee has been formed from the government of Assam, which study is said by you, so we have to wait for the official communication first. As soon as we receive the official communication from them, we take a call with the civil, we have the fast and